see colors in French language.
Learn French.
Secure your career.
Red,
Whose,
red.
whose,
Blue,
bleu,
blue.
bleu,
Green,
wet,
green.
wet,
Yellow,
jaune,
yellow.
jaune,
Black,
noir,
black.
noir,
White,
blanc,
white.
blanc,
Orange,
orange,
orange.
orange. Let's see some other colors.
Pink,
Rose,
pink.
rose,
Purple,
violet,
purple.
violet,
Gray,
grise,
gray.
grise,
Gold,
doré,
gold.
doré,
Silver,
argent,
silver.
argent,
Brown,
marron,
brown.
marron. Let's see some sentences which are related with all these colors so that you will remember all the colors at the end of this video.
The apple,
La pomme,
the apple
la pomme
is red.
est rouge.
The apple is red.
La pomme est rouge.
The apple is red.
You can see here the apple is la pomme, is red means est rouge.
The apple is red.
La pomme est rouge.
The apple is red.
La pomme est rouge.
The car
La voiture
is black.
est noire.
The car
La voiture
is black.
est noire.
The car is black.
La voiture est noire.
The car is black.
La voiture est noire.
The shirt
La chemise
is purple.
est violette.
The shirt
La chemise
is purple.
est violette.
The shirt is purple.
La chemise est violette.
The shirt is purple.
La chemise est violette.
The rose
La rose
is pink.
est rouge.
The rose
La rose
is pink.
est rouge.
The rose is pink.
La rose est rouge.
The rose is pink.
La rose est rouge.
The ball is
La ballon est
brown.
marron.
The ball is
La ballon
brown.
est marron.
The ball is brown.
La ballon est marron.
The ball is brown.
La ballon est marron.
The sun
Le soleil
is yellow.
est jaune.
The sun
Le soleil
is yellow.
est jaune.
The sun is yellow.
Le soleil est jaune.
The sun is yellow.
Le soleil est jaune.
The sky
Le ciel
is blue.
est bleu.
The sky
Le ciel
is blue.
est bleu.
The sky is blue.
Le ciel est bleu.
The sky is blue.
Le ciel est bleu.
The book
Le livre
is white.
est blanc.
The book
Le livre
is white.
est blanc.
The book is white.
Le livre est blanc.
The book is white.
Le livre est blanc.
The grass
L'herbe
is green.
est verte.
The grass
L'herbe
is green.
est vert.
The grass is green.
L'herbe est verte.
The grass is green.
L'herbe est verte. Let's have it once again.
The grass is green.
L'herbe est verte.
The grass is green.
L'herbe est verte.
The bird
L'oiseau
is brown.
est marron.
The bird
L'oiseau
is brown.
est marron.
The bird is brown.
L'oiseau est marron.
The bird is brown.
L'oiseau est marron.
The chair
La chaise
is blue.
est bleue.
The dress
La robe
is red.
est rouge.
The chair
La chaise
is blue.
est bleue.
The dress is red.
La robe est rouge.
The chair is purple.
The chair is blue. La chaise est bleue.
The dress is red.
La robe est rouge. Here you can see that the dress is meaning la robe. The chair is meaning la chaise.
The flower
La fleur
is purple.
est violette.
The table
La table
is brown.
est brune.
The flower is purple.
La fleur est violette.
The table is brown.
La table est brune.
The cat
La chatte
is white.
est blanc.
The well
Le mou
is grey.
est gris.
The cat is white.
La chatte est blanc.
The wall is grey.
La moue est gris.
The bird
L'oiseau
is green.
est vert.
The bag
Le sac
is pink.
est rose.
The bird is green.
L'oiseau est vert.
The bag is pink.
Le sac est rose. I hope you remember all these words and many colors in this lesson. Let's have the last one.
The pencil
Le crayon
is yellow.
est jaune.
The shoes
La chaussure
are black.
sont noires.
The pencil is yellow.
Le crayon est jaune.
The shoes are black.
Les chaussures sont noires.
The shoes are black.
Les chaussures sont noires. Thanks for watching. Have a colorful time, friends.